Growing up on a mission field in Haiti, it was just an everyday reminder through my parents' actions that serving people and making a difference in their life occurs with every word and action we do. As I began to consider a new professional opportunity after teaching elementary school and staying home with my kids, I just knew in my heart whatever profession it was, it needed to be one which allowed me to serve in impacting others on the journey we would be going on together. Over the last 17 years, it's been an absolute pleasure to work with so many individuals through their home journey, some exciting, some challenging, and they're all life-changing. So having a partnership with Laura, Bridget, and Jeff just allows us to team together in serving people at the highest level while interacting one-on-one and reaching their goal. I mean, whether we're preparing contracts or staging a home before marketing pictures are taken, or assisting with a buyer to see a home at the soonest opportunity, every detail is covered in a personal, engaging touch. It truly is a gift to work through each day's challenges with this power team. You know, working with the leadership of Keller Williams through their coaching and their mastermind groups has really opened up my mind to the opportunities in real estate that I didn't even know existed 17 years ago. Now, instead of asking why, I ask, why not me? I have business coaches each week. There are masterminds with Gary Keller and the top 100 realtors in the nation, as well as growth through our Kansas City office leadership team and learning through realtors right in our office. Jeff and I have lived in Kansas City over 32 years, and our family has been raised right in these neighborhoods. This is where we call home. When we're not working with our Walton Home Team families, you will find us enjoying time with our kids and our grandkids, trying a new restaurant, or even experiencing a festival. Kansas City is a wonderful place to live, and we have the opportunity of helping others find the neighborhood that they will call home.